Hello everyone. Today our topic is image creation and hash generation for forensic analysis. Okay, so what is image creation? So generally it's a forensic image or a forensic copy, which is a bit by bit or a sector by sector, a direct copy of a physical storage device. And it may be including all files, folders, and unallocated any free and slack spaces. So these are called the image creations. And how are the forensic images created? So let me know that how it is created means just it's a forensic image. If a forensic image is an exact copy of a hard drive, then this image is created using various third-party tools, which can easily capture the image of a hard drive in according to bit by bit without changing even the spread of data. So forensic software which copies the data by creating a bit stream, which is it is an exactly duplicate thing. And maybe you had a doubt like what type of forensic images were there. Yeah, image the image results for what is image creation in forensic is generally there are three primary types of forensic images techniques. And the first one is creating a physical forensic image of the device, and the second one is collecting a logical image, and the third one is doing a targeted collection of device data. So these three are the primary types of forensic image collection, and by determining the appropriate forensic image format, which is basically depends on the nature of the legal matter and the budget. And let's know about hash generation. So basically, what is hashing? So hashing plays an important role in forensic computer forensics, and it makes you to ensure that a copy of a data which you are making is remaining identical to its source. And this hashing refers to the process of transforming an input, which is usually a file, into an output, which is also a unique string associated with that file. And you had a doubt like how the hash is generated. Let you know that like hashing is simply passing some data through a formula which that produces some result called a hash. So it is nothing but a generating of hash. That hash is usually a string of characters, and that hash is generated by a formula, as we said before. So that formulas are always which having same length regardless of how much data you feed into it. So in this activity, we are going to know about or investigating a bitstream image with the cybercheck site and the helix. So the what are the softwares we are using here is a cybercheck site. You can go to the browser and check about the cybercheck site and helix and ftk imager. So these three are the softwares we are including here. And the step one, it should be you have to download it and install all the regarding softwares mentioned, and you have to start in the once you started the TrueBack window software version, like which is a cybercheck set. You have to you get a display of your options like seize and acquire, abort and exit, as you can see here. So you have to select choose an option of seize and acquire. Then you have to fill all the below details what they asked. Uh, Here they ask the investigator name, investigator rank, police station, what's your crime number, what's the crime number, seizure memo number, date of the seizure, time, address, suspect. So all of the details it will ask. So select. So once you fill that, so you have to select the source to be seized from the logical and uncheck on list sterile media and select the destination file where you want to store the bit stream image file. So here you go. Once you've done this process, you have to select the image type. So uh, image type should be a raw image and the hash type should be MD5, and the regarding tools you have to use it here. Then you should go for the seasonal acquisition case data summary, what you mentioned already here, like investigator name, the police station, season memo number, and suspect time underline. So once you confirm your details, just click on the confirm date, then approach to the next step. So once you click on the next step, the disk will start to analyze automatically. So here you go, the process log. So what you are given the data, it will process it automatically. So you can see the progress of the process here. Then once analyze complete, so remove the suspected device what you get inserted. So it will show you a reminder like please remove the suspect's media and label it as follow. Yeah. Once you all done this process, yeah, here you can see the process is done successfully. Then the last seventh step is to be like a report is generated when where it gives the hash value of whole media, block file, and each sector. So this step make a sense like whatever the hash value you give about the whole media, so that only it will be report will be generated. So see if in the first step we have what are the details I have filled, so it will generate it which we fill in the hash value. So these are all the media and block caches and report of data. Here you can see. After that, you have to select the uh, path for the image, and you have to verify it. So you can simply browse it and get the particular path what you require. Then move on and start the Helix software and run FTK Imager. So FTK Imager, it's a access data. You have to download it in a browser. I will show you. Go to the FTK Imager, download. See here you can go Xtero. So if you want to download FTK Imager, click on the download FTK Imager. So it will ask you some details regarding you. So I had given my college mail, or you can give any business email or your email account, whatever you have. So just submit it. Once you submitted your details, it will automatically uh, give an approach for the download. So you can see here it is downloading. Once it is downloaded, uh, you can start getting a hash and image checking.
In this FTK imager, we are going to know that how the image can be created and hash generation can be done in this access data FK imager. So firstly, we have to go to the file, just add an evidence here. So I was giving finish, see. So these are all the files included in the physical drive. Here you can see uh, here you can see the all details of the regarding document or an image. So it might be a deleted file or date mismatch, and whatever the encrypted and stenography things was available in here. So I was just clicked on the dump file, so we are getting the dump data types. So what are all the deleted files? And data mismatch is nothing but files which are deleted but present in the hard disk. And the data mismatch means the files which are not created in that suspected system, and they can either be copied from computer sources or other file allocations. And overwritten files also can be available, they might be there. And encrypted data, so files which were encrypted, so those cannot be visible over here. And stenography also is possible. So finally, we investigated on bit stream image of the storage of an image, how the image is stored in a bit by bit. So thank you.